now in this video we will talk about like one of the basic command, that is mv command. It basically stands for move. So basically in this video we will talk about how we can move files from one location to another, or also you can say how we can move directory from one location to another location. Okay, so today in this video we are gonna learn about this, like how we can move files from one location to another. So first of all, let me open up the terminal, and now let me just increase the font size for you guys so it should be visible to you, and I will just open up these files for your reference. So whatever we will perform here, it will be visible to you guys. Okay, so now what I will do, first of all I will create one directory, mkdir move command. Okay, and now what we will need to do, let me clear. I will move into that particular directory and I will create one file, touch file1.txt we will create. Okay, and here is touch file1.txt. Okay, uh, also let me no, wait a minute, I will try to create a file with cat command because I have to write something in it. This is file1, control D. Okay, now it is save. Now what we will do, I have to move this file1.txt. Okay, file1.txt from this move command directory to some another directory. That is, I have to move this onto suppose desktop. Okay, so now what I will do, first of all I will open up one more terminal, and I will move into the cd desktop. Okay, I will do pwd. I will check the path of that particular desktop where it is. So here you can see home I use desktop. Okay, so now what we will do, I will use here mv, stands for move. I have to move file1.txt to home I use desktop. And here what you can do, like this command is also useful, like changing the name, like we can also rename files. Okay, but here I'm going to use only file.txt. Okay, and I will hit enter, and on the desktop I will do here ls. So here you will see file.txt has been created. Okay, or you can see here also on the desktop, I think it is here. Here you can see the file.txt has been created. Okay, so this is the basics of how we can move files from one location to another. Now this command is also useful in renaming files. Okay, so if I will do ls here, so there is nothing because we have already moved it. Let's create another file, cat file2.txt. This is file2. Okay, ls, and now what I want to rename this file2, I want to make it file3. So we can do it, mv file2, same. Here I will do just file3.txt, and I will do ls, and here you will see the name of the file2 has been changed to file3. Now let's check the content of file3 whether it is same or not. So cat file3, so it is, this is file2. Okay, so in this way you can also rename the file names. Okay, I hope you got it. Now let me tell you one more another thing, if suppose here is file.txt, okay, on the desktop, and you want to move that file1 which is here to move into this particular directory or particular location. So if already file1.txt like exist here, so what will happen when we will try to move files from this location to this location with the same, and then it will overwrite. So to overcome this issue, what we will use -i command, not command -i flag we will use. Okay, first what I will do, I will uh, change the file name to file1, not file1, file.txt I will change ls. Okay, now what I will do, mv file.txt, then home, ayush, desktop, and again file.txt, and here I will use -i option, and here you can see override. Do you want to override this particular file which it exists, it is asking. So I can say yes or no, but before let's check the content of this file. This is file1 and it is showing. Now I will do yes and hit enter, and now I will again check the content of this file. So here you can see this is file2. Okay, I hope it is visible to you. Yeah, this file2 is the now the decent content of this file because it is overwritten. Okay, now next what I have to do, I will try to move some files into one particular directory. Okay, so what I will do, I will create two files, 1.txt, 2.txt. Let's create 3.txt also. Okay, now you can see ls. So these are the three files which we have created. Now I will make a directory here on the desktop, mkdir move files. Okay, now what I will do, mv 1.txt, 2.txt, 3.txt into the directory home, ayush, desktop. On desktop what we have, move files. We'll hit enter and we will do ls. So here we can see there is no any files here. Now I will move into the move files and I will do ls. So here you can see all the files has been moved at this particular locations. Okay, so this is the another way to moving files from one location to another, from one location to any kind of directory in which you want. Okay, now moving forward, what we can do, how you can copy one directory to another location. Okay, or renaming it. Okay, so let me go back here, and now at desktop here you can see move files and one directory, that is test directory. Okay, now what I want to first rename this file, this directory. So move files, I will try to rename it m files. Now let's, so here you can see the move files has been changed to m files. Now now I want to move this m files into this test directory. So what I can do, mv m files and in the test, enter ls. There is no m files here. Now cd change directory to test. Now let's do ls, and here you can see m files has been moved at this particular location, or you can say at the test directory. Okay, so in this way you can move files from one location to another, or from one directory to another, or how you can also rename files, and also in this video you learn about it. So today we will stop here and we will meet in the next video. So thank you for watching, and please, if you have any queries, then you can ask us in the comment section. Okay.